Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming Outlook version and knowing your mailbox size. This matters because archive behavior differs across releases. Next, decide. Use Auto Archive to automate or export to PSD for manual control. Open Outlook, go to File, then either Cleanup Tools or Open and export depending on your build. Once done, select the account or folder you want archived so you don't move unintended items. This first setup step ensures the rest runs smoothly and predictably. Now you configure the archive parameters. Pick a cutoff date, items older than 6 months, for example, and decide whether to include subfolders. Choose a clear PSD destination on a fast drive and name it with a date so you can find it later. If using Auto Archive, set frequency and retention in options. If exporting, follow the export wizard's prompts and monitor progress. Make sure large attachments are handled. Compressing or excluding them can speed completion and reduce file size. Finish by reopening the newly created PSD in Outlook and spot check several folders and messages to confirm everything moved as intended. Once verified, enable Auto Archive or schedule a backup routine so your archive stays current. Store the PSD on a backed up volume. If you encounter errors or missing items, make sure to compact the PSD and, if needed, run the inbox repair tool, scan PSD.exe. That repair step often resolves corruption. If problems persist, restore from your most recent backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.